have a 2002 Toyota Sienna ignition problem. Right now it still turns, but there you go. But it's intermittent. Sometimes it turns, sometimes it don't. We'll go ahead and take this apart and rebuild it. We'll come back shortly with everything fixed. We're back at this Toyota. As you see right now, everything works smooth. I had to replace the wafers. I went ahead and replaced the springs so it could be nice and strong. As you stick the key in, you can feel the wafers moving out of your way, nice and strong. So if you have any questions, you need our help, just give us a call or go to our website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. Thank you.